Hey readers, so yesterday we started reading Gossie and Gertie, and we met two friends that help us remember some reading strategies that good readers do as they are reading. So one was Eagle Eye. He teaches us to look at the pictures, use the pictures to help us solve unknown or tricky words. Then we met Lips the fish, who tells us to get your lips ready to make the first sound. So as we look at the pictures, we also have to look at the beginning sound and see if it looks right. Today, we're going to meet a new friend named Chunky Monkey. Chunky Monkey teaches us to look for the chunks or parts that you know. It could be ed, ed, ing, ing, th, ch, sh, or any smaller words that are hidden in bigger words. Any parts that you already know that can help you solve an unknown word or a tricky word. So let's keep reading Gossie and Gertie and see if we can use these reading strategies that we've learned. They play in the, I'm going to look at the picture. I see hay. They play in the hay. Yep, that makes sense. Now let's look at the word and see if it looks right. Oh, it's long. So hay, I do see hay, but I see sta. So that's a part that I know. And I also see ack, A-C-K. So haystack, haystacks, haystacks. We did it. Good job, readers. We looked at the picture, we looked at the beginning sound, and we looked for parts in the word that we already know. Gossie and Gertie are best friends. Everywhere Gossie goes, Gertie goes too. Follow me, cried Gossie. Gossie marched to the, well, look at the picture. It looks like a barn. Let's see if that looks right. Oh, I see a B. Barn. Yep. Gertie followed. Follow me, cried Gossie. Gossie, let's look for the parts that I know. Sna. I know S-N makes sna. Sneak. And E-D, sneaked. Gossie sneaked to the sheep. Gertie followed. Follow me, cried Gossie. Gossie, I know jumped into a mud puddle. Gertie did not follow. Follow me, shouted Gossie. Gertie followed I know E-I-N-G, ing, hopping. I'm going to look at the picture. Frog. Gertie followed a hopping frog. Let's see if that looks right. Frog. Yep. Follow me, shouted Gossie. But Gertie followed I see a butterfly in the picture. Let's see if that looks right. Butterfly. Yes, butterfly. Follow me, shouted Gossie. But Gertie followed I know S-H makes sh. In shiny blue bug. Yep, bug would make sense. Let's see if it looks right. B. Oh, it's not bug because it has E. Beetle. Oh. Gertie followed a shiny blue beetle. Follow me, shouted Gossie as she followed Gertie. Gertie followed a trail of I remember reading rain. That looks like rain. Grain. A trail of grain. Guess that's the trail of grain. Follow me, said Gertie. It's dinner time. Gossie followed. Gossie and Gertie are best friends. All right, good job, readers. So when you're reading today and every day, I want you to remember, good readers look at the pictures to help them solve unknown words. They get their lips ready to make the first sound, and they look for parts in the words that they know that can help them solve unknown words. I know you guys are going to use all of these strategies as you read today.